Excess liability submission to Volta Insurance Solutions. How to submit to Volta for an instant quote. Powered by Appulate. If you have a completed Accord form in your agency management system or in an Accord PDF, start there. If you don't have a completed Accord form, no problem. You can start directly in Appulate by signing in and clicking on the Add New Customer or Prospect button and following the prompts. For this demonstration, we will bridge our Accord data. Select Print, choose the Appulate uplink as your printer option, select Print, and confirm your Appulate credentials. On this next screen, choose your line of business, in this case, Excess Liability, and click Continue. Appulate will open for you automatically. Your insured file will be created, and it will take you into Appulate's Q&A section where you will select Volta as your market. To the right-hand side of Volta's name, you will see a letter indication that will help guide you through the submission process, letting you know which questions are missing and required before submitting to Volta. You must answer those questions before you are able to click the Submit button. Below is the Smart Questionnaire. The number represents the number of questions you will have left to answer in each section before submitting. As soon as you complete the Subject section in the Smart Questionnaire, an estimated premium will appear. If you are looking for increased limits, simply click on the Limits and make your selection from the drop-down menu. In the Underwriting section, click on the appropriate answer. These are knockout questions, meaning that depending on how you answer these questions, if it fits our appetite, you can continue on, and the letter indication at the top of the page will show an A for accepted. If you answer a question in a way that doesn't fit our appetite, it will trigger a red D for decline, and your submission will stop here. Once you complete the requirements, the letter indication will turn into a green A, and you may now click on the Submit button. Once you submit, you will get an instant quote. Simply click on it to open it up and review. First, you will see the quote, then the forms and comments, and lastly, the TRIA form. To share it with your insured, click on the email icon. If you would like to request to bind, you must answer the additional required questions in the Smart Questionnaire and upload required documents, like loss runs. Once you have fulfilled the requirements, click on the Request to Bind icon and follow the prompts. If you are not yet appointed, it will take you through the appointment process, and then you can complete the Request to Bind steps. Loss runs have already been attached, therefore the first step is complete. Next, the Volta Excess Liability form must be signed by the insured. Click on the Open Signing tool and enter the insured name and email so that it can be sent to them for an electronic signature. Do the same for the quote document. Once your insured signs, you will receive email notifications and you will navigate back to the insured file to click the Request to Bind icon for a final time to confirm the action by clicking the Proceed button. Then your status will change to Requested to Bind. Once Volta binds, you will receive an email notification. The status changes to Bound and the policy documents may be reviewed here. If you have any questions, please email info@voltainsurance.com or call 805-409-4704.